What's up, YouTube? This is me comparing the exhaust on a Svartpilen 401 and a 701. They both have the Leo vents thrown on there, so this is mostly for my curiosity. So the 701, quite a bit louder, a little bit more violent sounding than the 401. Although, it's a single. Some people love the sound, some people don't love it. I'm a personal fan of the sound of a single thumper. But yeah, the 701, quite a bit more violent and loud. I don't want to get on it too loud. It's early in the morning, so yep. Appreciate you watching.